What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from Vankyo. They were nice enough to send one of their active noise cancelling headset so I can test and share with you guys my thoughts. I've been using and testing this headset for almost 3 days now. So just because they send me this headset for free, that really doesn't change anything. I'll still give you guys my honest opinion. Vankyo C750 comes in two colors, black and silver. I personally like black version, but the silver one looks nice also. Now, quick specs rundown. This headset comes with Qualcomm QCC chipset, Bluetooth 5.0, CVC 8.0, noise reduction technology for clear and crisp phone call, 40mm speaker drivers, 600mAh battery, charging time is around 3 hours, and 30 hours playtime with fully charged battery. Now 10-minute quick charge will give you around 2 hours playtime. Not so bad. After opening the box, you will find a nice carrying case with Vankyo branding, headset itself, and they also included a soft pouch. Comes with 2 cables, micro USB cable for charging the headset, and 3.5mm aux cable for unlimited music playtime, and a user manual. Now let's check the headset real quick. Headset build quality is good, doesn't feel cheap at all, but this headset is made out of plastic. Earpads are soft and comfortable, doesn't put too much pressure on the ears. Also, the headband is adjustable and have soft cushion for the head, so you can use the headset comfortably. On the right ear cup, you will find volume plus and minus button, power button, LED indicator, 3.5mm microphone port, micro USB charging port, microphone, and ANC on and off switch. You can easily pair this headset with any smartphones or tablets. Just press and hold the power button until you hear a voice prompt of power on, then release the power button and the LED indicator will flash blue. Turn your smartphones or tablets Bluetooth on, then tap on the C Stereo 750 device and connect. Simple as that. Like I said, I've been using and testing Vankyo C750 headset for almost 3 days now, watching Netflix movies, watching YouTube videos, music, and phone calls. Now, let me start by saying, if you like bass, then this headset is definitely for you. Deep bass with clear and crispy sound. Good enough, high, mid, and travel. Clear phone calls, no weird noise, definitely CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology is working. Active noise cancelling also works good. I took this headset out with me while I was shopping with my wife and kids. Market was really crowded, but I couldn't hear anyone while I was blasting my favorite music. I personally think music sound better with ANC off. Also, headset fitment is perfect. Not too loose, not too tight. Overall, for the price tag $59, you can't go wrong with Vankyo C750 ANC headset. Let me know what you guys think. There will be a link in the video's description. Don't forget to check out. See you guys next one. Peace.